Car crash GMB interview causes chaos as racist guest swears on live TV. Good Morning Britain presenters Kate Garraway and Ben Shepherd spoke to Republican political Ann Coulter, who is known for her strong views on America's political policies. The pair asked Ann to comment on President Donald Trump's comments about immigrants during a White House gathering of politicians. He has come under fire for calling Haiti and African countries assholes, and asked why they had to keep letting them into the country, before making an offhand comment saying that he thought that all Haitians have AIDS. Ann replied, "He is trying to win me back, but he won't until he builds the wall. He has always been good at saying things that most people believe and that upsets liberals, which is always fun." She added, "It is not as if he called a conference to say I want you to know America, these countries are a-holes." In response to Trump's comments that all Haitians have AIDS, she said, "By the way, Haiti does an extremely high rate of AIDS. It's not an insult, it is like someone overhearing Madame saying you have an ugly dress, it's not an insult, I'm just saying it." She concluded by saying, "I think the voters of your country and ours too are getting frustrated because they keep voting for less immigration and nobody is giving it to us, neither is Donald Trump, I might add." But why did he pick out these countries? Because these are the countries the liberals are doing this famous two-step for. It's not let's take losers from the world so they can dump everything on us, and he is saying let's take people who are actually good for our country. Fans flooded social media during the controversial interview to slam Ann's views. One posted, "Shame on you for putting this divisive racist, Ann Coulter, on your air and giving her a platform. She does not represent most Americans." Another added, "Why is that hateful Ann Coulter given airtime in the UK?" A third chipped in, "Hearing a stupid American say a-holes at 7:15 am on Good Morning Britain has made my day." However, it seems that Ann may have inadvertently cussed after saying s-holes in reference to Trump's comments. GMB continues tomorrow at 6 a.m. on ITV.